Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up secure folder on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So simply you just open your Play Store or your Galaxy Store. Like I'm open my Play Store. Go to search option, search that to secure folder. Okay. Just press on to install. Okay, now install this, press on to open. Select language. Press on. Okay, then showing it to this option, make sure to enable this. Okay, our setup, get back, press on to enable. Go back and enter passcode. Again. Choose your email address. Press on OK. Press on next. Showing you to this option. Close this and reopen secure folder. Unlock. If you want to add any file, photo, video, document in your secure folder, just press on to plus option. Okay, like select, right mark, this. Now successfully add this photo in my secure folder. So that's it.